When you first come into a course that's going to require Proctorio to use for quizzes, in the course navigation, you're going to see an option here that says Secure Exam Proctor Proctorio. You're going to need to install the extension into your computer. So I'm going to select that one. It's going to load a new page, and it's going to first check to see if you have installed Google Chrome. If you don't, it will give you a link there to do that as well. Then it checks to see if the extension is installed. In here it's not installed, so I'm going to select the link to get Proctorio. It's going to open up a new page that gives you an option to install. So I'm going to say click here, and it's going to load the Proctorio extension in the web store. Got a little Add to Chrome button right here in the right hand side, so I'm going to select Add to Chrome. It's going to check to make sure it's not installed again, and then you need to give it permission to add the extension. It'll take just a couple of seconds for it to load, and now Proctorio has been loaded. It tells you that it's been loaded over here, and you can see that it's there, and it says remove from Chrome. If I come back to my course, I'm going to refresh my page, and you're going to get a notice that says that the plugin is successfully installed, and so please return to your course. So if I go back to modules, I'll be back into my course, and it is gone now from the course navigation. Once you install it in one of your courses, it should be there for all of your courses unless the extension gets uninstalled.